Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's in the kitchen. Today we're going to cook some ackee and saltfish with dumpling and banana and yellow yam. So guys, I have about half pound of saltfish. I have 2 dozen ackee. I have some chopped onion, garlic, scallion, tomato, and I have some bell pepper also chopped by itself. I have green and both ripe and scotch bonnet pepper. Why I use both pepper inside of it, I love the flavor from both the ripe and the green scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put a small amount of black pepper into it and some cayenne pepper, some mixed season and some all-purpose season. So guys, it's time for we to cook the ackee and both the saltfish. The saltfish is going to go in a separate pot and the ackee in a separate pot because the saltfish is very salt. And I'm going to put a small amount of sugar into my saltfish to remove that salt from it. So guys, it's time to put in the water for the saltfish. Next one for the ackee. So guys, now it's time for me to put in the sugar into the water and to place the saltfish inside of it. So the sugar will remove most of the salt out of the saltfish. I'm going to put a small amount of salt into my ackee. And I'm going to put in my ackee. So guys, look on the ackee. So guys, the ackee is cooking, but I have to pay attention more to the saltfish because the saltfish have to cook more than one time. That is why I use sugar inside of it. So when I cook the saltfish with sugar, I have to cook it 2 times. But if you don't use any sugar, it's 3 times, guys, because it's very salt. So when you cook it with sugar, you don't need to cook it more than 2 times. So guys, it's time to check my ackee if it's cooked. Guys, so it's time to remove the flame. To remove the flame from the saltfish also. So guys, it's time for me to get the oil into the pot. I'm going to put in my all-purpose season, my cayenne pepper, my mixed spice, small tip of black pepper. I'm going to order some more black pepper. No more than about 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of water, then add heat. It's time to add in the saltfish. So guys, now it's time to put in our ackee. Pretty guys, you can see the bell pepper. That's why I love to use the red bell pepper, the one that have the red in it. I love to use it, guys. Look how it's pretty, guys. So guys, this is my ackee ready. It's time to remove the flame from underneath it, guys. Can't wait to eat with the ackee and the dumpling, the banana, the yellow yam. So guys, this is the pot I'm going to put my dumpling and my banana and my yellow yam to go with my ackee and my saltfish. So guys, we're going to use about 2 cups of flour. I have 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Guys, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Guys, I'm going to mix in my cornmeal and my salt and my flour. Guys, remember to wash your hand. I love cornmeal dumpling, guys, with ackee and saltfish. Remember, guys, to make your dumpling, you have to throw a small amount of water into it and mix. Small amount of water and mix. So now we're going to mix and all the two come together. So it's time for me to start putting my dumpling. Guys, it's time to put in our yellow here. Remember guys, when you're cooking banana and dumpling and yam, remember don't put in your banana till one time the yam or the dumpling is going down. When the water starts boil up hard again, guys, you put in your banana into your pot. And guys, before I put in my banana into my pot, I'm going to put in some cooking oil. So when your banana go into the water, it's pretty, guys. Small amount of cooking oil. So guys, you see it? So it's stop boiling up hard. This is the way now, guys, you put in your banana into the water. And you don't have a black banana. So guys, this is the way. So guys, I'm going to put in some salt into it. And guys, I use a 1/2 teaspoon of salt because guys, I don't love whole of salt into my food. If you want to use more salt, you can go ahead guys and use it. guys, look. This is why I say must use cooking oil into your water when you're cooking banana and dumpling and yam. Guys, so banana pretty. White and pretty, guys. So guys, we're going to check the banana cook and the yam. So guys, look at it. See guys, banana is cooked. So guys, it's time for me to remove the flame